is our first time at Sam's Town. I've been wanting to come here since, I don't know, early 2000s, since I first discovered the Killers, because they did a Sam's Town song and I did research and they're from here and this was their spot back in the day. So this has always been on my list of places to check out. So just so you know, this is also a Boyd gaming property. So your Boyd card looks something like this. I'm a Ruby, low roller, but if you have a Boyd card, this is part of the Boyd program. So if you do day trip it out here, you're staying at the Cal, Fremont, another Boyd property here in Las Vegas. Your card here too, you're gonna get points. I can see the Strip from here, but you can see the Strip from a lot of places in Las Vegas. So I'm not sure how close it is to the Strip, but I can see the Strip from here. So it must not be too far. So we're gonna check it out. Come with us. I have mixed feelings about Sam's Town. So first thing, from the outside, it looks old and kind of run down a little bit. Inside in the center by their center bar and the fountain and all of that, it's pretty awesome. I am just like, I was blown away by how much nicer it is inside than outside. Now, with that being said, the casino seems like it caters to maybe older clientele, tons of slot machines. There's bingo, a big bingo hall upstairs. There's a massive bowling alley, which is pretty awesome downstairs. But again, the casino seems like it caters to an older clientele, tons of slot machines. The music is more like, I don't know, 80s, top 40 type music, low volume. Not many restaurants open, so that's something to consider as well. There is a TGI Fridays, and then there's a steakhouse. The steakhouse is by appointment only, and then everything else is fast food. It's like Subway, and I think there's a McDonald's, a Dunkin' Donuts, ice cream shop, that kind of stuff there. So I don't know, would I come back to Sam's Town? 100%. Absolutely, I would come here, do a little bit of gambling, do some bowling, It's on my bucket list to sit in a bingo hall in Vegas and play bingo for a little while. I've never done that, and this seems like the type of place that would be chill enough with old people that it wouldn't be too rowdy and crazy for somebody like me to just want to sit down and play bingo for a little bit. The Pie Gouts situation, they have 2 progressive jackpots happening at the same time. I don't know how. I don't know enough about Pie Gow to be able to answer that, but with that being said, I only noticed 2 Pie Gow tables. They were both face up, $15 minimums on a Friday evening here in Vegas, so not too bad. So yeah, I would come back. Should you put it on your list if you're coming down to Las Vegas? I don't know. If you're looking to just get off the Strip for a slow pace and to do something different, sure. But I wouldn't go out of my way to come on vacation to Las Vegas and make my way to Sam's Town. So that's my review. Take it or leave it. Thanks you guys for watching. Subscribe to our channel. All we do is show you Vegas. Check out our other videos. Comment below. You see that I respond to everything here on YouTube. If there's anything that you want to see, check this out. Comment below. Let us know what you want to see. We'll do our best to bring it to you.